Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it's one I've not had before. I'm very excited about. It is the Vegan Kind beauty box. I have had the Vegan Kind snack box, which I've just unboxed. I've had two of those now, but this is the beauty box. It is £18.15 and it is bi-monthly, so it's like every other month you get it. This is my first one. There is a code on their website at the moment that is just vegan, and you can get £5 off your box. So I'll link that down below. That is not affiliate links or anything. They don't know who I am. I paid for this myself. And I want to just get into it because it's nice to try new boxes, and people always asking me to try vegan things. So we're just going to get in. So it says Feel Good Beauty. Oh, I've just been eating loads of snacks and I've got hiccups. So this is the February-March edition, and oh, it just says what's inside my box. I'll just open it because I don't want to read what it says. Yeah, I'm just gonna wrap things as they come out. So the first thing I've got is very heavy. Christ, this is a bath bomb, and it's literally the heaviest bath bomb I've ever picked up. Sunday Rain Glow Getter Bath Bomb Rose Gold. It's really pretty. Hopefully my camera will focus. There you go. Really pretty. It's so dense though. What does it say about this? This is £4.50. Turn your bath into a spa in one splash. This relaxing bath bomb contains an illuminating rose gold shimmer that releases as it fizzes for skin that glows, soak and reveal illuminated skin. So that sounds lovely. So pretty. I might use that tonight. So that was the first thing. Next up, we've got a Sun-Kissed Baked Perfection Blush and Highlight Duo. Really pretty packaging. This says, this is £4.50. Create a gorgeous look with a silky baked blush and highlight duo. Each colour can use each colour separately or blend together for a beautifully sun-kissed glow. Let's have a little look in this. I can undo it. If I can undo it. I'm a little bit crap when it comes to opening things. So that's what it looks like. So you've got more highlight than blush. I'm not happy with that because I don't really wear blush that much. So I've got the blush, where it's like a pretty corally blush, and then the highlight is like a champagne. It doesn't really show up on my skin just because I am so freaking pale. And let's get a bit of highlight on my face with a highlighting brush. There she is. I haven't got any other makeup on other than eyebrows and eyelashes. Crumbs, get open. Let's just get a bit of highlight. Oh, oh, it's pretty. I like it. That's really pretty. Yeah, I like that. Pretty. What's next? Next up, I've got an Avon. Oh, Avon is a sponsor. Avon skincare. Oh, eye restoring pads. Oh, I love these. I love things. I have loads of these. I've only ever had cheap ones before, I think. These are £12 because they're Avon. Wake up to brighter eyes with this revolutionary eye set. Saturate with a complex of active ingredients to smooth, intensely hydrate and minimise the appearance of fine lines, dark circles and puffiness. Perfect when you've not had a full 8 hours or when you want to relax and pamper yourself. The collagen in these eye patches is derived from soybeans. As a mum of 3 children, one of whom is 5 months old and does not sleep, this is amazing. To depuff before the school run. They're going to be lush. I've got lots of these, but all my other ones are very cheap. So that's exciting to see if them actually being expensive makes a difference. Next up, Floral Street. This is £9. What are you? It's perfume minis. Really pretty packaging. And it says, this gorgeous mini scent wardrobe contains a 1.5 size spray bottle with 5 perfumes. So we've got London Poppy, Wonderland Peony, Electric Rhubarb, Neon Rose and Wild Vanilla Orchid. Floral Street is a brand built on the streets of London. Floral Street is about breaking the tradition. That sounds really nice. There's only one, the one with the rose I won't use because I hate it. Open. This is so pretty. I love this. I don't really like getting perfume samples, but that's really lovely. Look. Isn't that nice? So we've got London Poppy, One Done Peony, Electric Rhubarb, Neon Rose and Wild Orchid. I want to smell Electric Rhubarb because that sounds insane. Let's have a little get on my arm. Oh, that smells amazing. That is lovely. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. I'm not going to spray any of this because I won't be able to smell anything else now, but Electric Rhubarb is awesome. I'll give my mother-in-law the Neon Rose one because I think she likes the smell of rose. That is so pretty. I love that. I think that's really nice. I will write on the screen how much like a full-size perfume is because that would be interesting to know, because this is £9 and it is only like, what is that, 7.5 ml of product for £9, so it does sound quite expensive, but I'll put it on the screen. And then the last one, oh, is an eyeshadow palette. Crystal Eyes, who are you by? Sunkissed. Inspired by the iridescence of crystals, this Crystal Eyes palette is a must-have with 18 show-stopping matte and shimmer shades in an oh-so-Instagrammable mirrored compact. Crystal Eyes is the ultimate eyeshadow set for beauty lovers everywhere. Oh, it is pretty. It is a little bit like... Have I got it down here or not? Have I got it down here or not? Most of my makeup is upstairs. No. I was going to say the shape of these is like the Fenty palette. It is very reminiscent of the Fenty Galaxy palette, but obviously that's expensive and this is only £5.99. So that looks really nice. I might do a video with that. This one's really pretty. I wouldn't really use that, but it's very pretty. Amethyst, really nice. Let's just do a little swatch of one of them just to sort of see. Let's swatch that blue one, Aquamarine. Let's see what it's like. It's very pale, but it's there. Might be one you have to build up. But that's really nice. Very, very pretty. It is a very pretty palette. I'm really happy with that. So we've got an eyeshadow palette, a bath bomb, 5 perfumes, some Avon eye patches, and what else did we get? What else did we get? Oh, the blusher. Where did I put the blusher? Already put it in my drawer. And my blush. I'm really happy with that. So what's that worth? Overall box value is worth £35, which you pay £18 for it, so that's really good. I'm really happy with that. Looking forward to next month. Well, not next month. I think my next one will come at the beginning of April. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If there's any boxes or anything you want me to try, please do let me know. If you like these kind of videos, do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. That would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.